In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the confirmation message that users see after submitting a Google form. This is a handy feature that allows you to provide a more personalized touch to your forms, ensuring respondents feel acknowledged and informed after they hit that submit button. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open up Google Forms on your web browser. If you're not familiar with navigating to Google Forms directly, just type Google Forms into the search bar on your browser, and it should appear as one of the top links. Once you're in, go ahead and open the form you want to work on. If you don't have a form ready, you can quickly create a new one by clicking the plus icon to start from a blank slate. This step ensures that we have something to work with as we proceed with the customization. Now that your form is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which stands for Settings. Click on this icon and a pop-up window with various options should appear. In this window, you'll need to navigate to the Presentation tab. This tab contains all the settings we need to tweak the messages and how your form reflects to the respondents. Scroll down in the presentation settings until you reach the section labeled Confirmation Message. This is where you'll be entering your custom message. Have a think about what you want to convey to your form respondents. It's a good opportunity to thank them for their time, inform them of the next steps, or provide them with any other relevant information they might need. The message can be as welcoming or informative as you choose. It's entirely up to you. Now, once you have crafted your perfect message, enter it into the text box provided under Confirmation Message. After doing so, ensure everything looks good by reviewing your text for any typos or errors. Taking this extra minute to proofread will help maintain a professional impression. Once you're satisfied with your message, click the Save button to finalize your changes. Saving updates your form with your new confirmation message, which means respondents will receive this customized note right after submission. Finally, it's always a good idea to do a test submission to see the customized message in action. This way, you can verify that everything appears as intended, allowing you to make any last-minute tweaks if necessary. Simply fill out the form, submit it, and check that your personalized confirmation message is displayed as expected. That's it. You've now successfully customized your Google Forms confirmation message. This simple tweak can make a big difference, providing a more engaging and informative experience for your respondents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy form building!